Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry story on Facebook. To fix blurry story, firstly, open Facebook application and now tap on these three bars in the upper right corner, and if you scroll down, you will see settings and privacy. Click on this and from here click on settings and now scroll down, and in the preference section you have to open this media, and the first thing you need to do is reject this data server and click on this optimize videos, and you have to make sure that this optimize adjust video to network conditions is checked. Make sure again that your video quality is set to optimize rather than this data server. So you have to make sure this optimized is checked. Take note that your video might still appear blurry when you have bad connection, because enabling the optimized option gives you the best quality based on your connection. So if your connection is still bad, stories will appear blurry. So make sure that you have good connection. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.